this short video, we will discuss custom HTML widgets and see a short demo with an example. With Hybrid Cloud Observability, we have hundreds of widgets available for specific needs, like these all nodes widgets, hardware health overview, all alerts, and so on. With the custom HTML widget, you can create a widget that offers a shortcut to other parts of web console, or a widget that displays the data collected from external APIs via the API Polar feature. We can create a custom widget that provides a quick access to external websites or a list of external web links. So let's take an example where the administrator needs to know weather conditions at his remote office locations in the web console itself. This can be achieved by custom HTML widget. So to add the widget, follow the procedure where let's click customize the view, add widgets. Look for the HTML widget, drag and drop to the location where you want to see it in your web console. Done, add editing, done editing. Now, when you are administrator, then only you can see the edit button. Over here, you can provide the HTML code to the external links or data. Now, this is the location where you provide the HTML code. There are few external sites that can be referred for the weather condition. For this example, I'm looking at one of such site, which gives me the HTML code for the widget of the weather condition. So this is the widget I would like to display in my web console for my remote office location at New York, Paris, as well as London. So let me customize it for the office location. Get the HTML code. Now you can see over here, I can directly execute a script, or I can get the image of that widget, directly linked to the image. For the security reason, unsafe tags such as iframe or scripts are not executed in the custom HTML widget. That behavior can be changed by going into the advanced global settings in the web console. For this example, I'm just going to get the link to the image. So this is the HTML code, which will take me to the link to the New York weather condition widget at this link. Let's copy it, go back to my web console. Likewise, I will also get the external link for the London weather condition as well as the Paris weather condition by choosing the location and get the HTML code and copy it to my custom HTML widget body and submit. And you can see over here, I can see the weather condition at my New York office, Paris, and London office by going into the external link. That's how custom HTML widget can be very helpful for accessing the data by using the HTML code.